Dystonia. Introduction. Focal dystonia only affects one specific part of the body. Select true or false. Correct. Focal dystonia is the most common type of dystonia.
Which of the following is true about symptoms of dystonia? Choose one of the following options. 1. Sometimes certain movements, like writing with a pen, can trigger symptoms. 2. The symptoms may become more obvious as time goes on and get worse during times of stress, anxiety, or tiredness. 3. The symptoms might start in one area of the body. 4. All of the above.
Correct. Healthcare providers are always able to diagnose the cause of dystonia. Select true or false. Correct. Healthcare providers do not know what causes most cases of dystonia. Idiopathic dystonia refers to dystonia that does not have a clear cause. Botox is often the most effective treatment for focal dystonia. Select true or false. Correct. Botox is often the most effective treatment for focal dystonia. Small amounts are injected into affected muscles. This paralyzes the muscles and prevents the contractions caused by dystonia.
Thank you for using Explain.